Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight, as you know by the title, I'm going to make some spaghetti quesadillas. And you know, it's like whenever you make spaghetti, most of the time you have some leftover. We do anyway. And you know, it's like, what can you do with leftover spaghetti? Well, there's a lot of things you can do. I've even made spaghetti tacos, and they are amazing. I don't know if you've seen that video or not, but if you have leftover spaghetti, definitely give spaghetti tacos a try. And today we're going to try the spaghetti quesadillas. You know, I did a little research, you know, look what else we could make with spaghetti, and you know, a lot of the normal stuff. And you all know that I kind of like to go against the grain and out of the box. And so I'm going to do some leftover spaghetti quesadillas. Let's get with it. I'm going to do them here on my Blackstone. Should be a really quick cook. So let's fry one up. Yeah, I'm using Albuquerque tortillas here in New Mexico. So you're going to need a couple of flour tortillas. And of course, all you got to do is put some butter on each one side. That's the side that's going to go on the griddle, so you can get it all nice and toasty brown. You can use olive oil if you want, if you don't want to use butter. Okay, let's get this on the griddle. The thing I'm going to do is lay down that tortilla. Got my griddle warmed up. Next thing I'm going to do is, since this is spaghetti, I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan. And there goes the plane. Next, I'm going to add the spaghetti. I'm sure this is probably way more than enough, but that'll do. Let's spread it out a little bit. Now, I make my spaghetti with hot Italian sausage, not hamburger. Do add meat. And if you want to see that, I'll leave the video card at the end. It's very super easy, super tasty. And I use the hot Johnsonville hot Italian sausage. And I got to tell you, it gives it a little bit of spice. So if you like it a little spicy, if not, use some pepper flakes, you know. Speaking of pepper flakes, I think I'm going to add some to this. Around my channel very often, you know, I like to use the green and red hatch flakes. I find these at Trader Joe's in Albuquerque. I don't know if they have them everywhere, but it's really good stuff. Spice it up. And of course, you want to add some more Parmesan cheese on top, because, you know, what can I say? I love cheese. The more cheese, the merrier. And I know, this is not an authentic quesadilla, so for those aficionados out there, I'm sure I'll hear from somebody. Okay. Just like any other good quesadilla, you want to top it with another tortilla. I'm going to let that go for a little bit until we get golden brown. We'll do a flip, finish it up, do it a couple of minutes. See if I get this flipped. Little assistance here. Okay. Not bad, not bad. That looks nice and golden brown, doesn't it? Fried cheese wouldn't hurt anything. In fact, I encourage it. Peek underneath. Whoopsie. Looking pretty good. A little darker on that one side, so let's turn it. Looking pretty good. Give this about another minute. And I'll take it off and do a taste test. See how we did. Got my pizza cutter for this spaghetti quesadilla. You can leave them in fours. I think I'll cut a couple of smaller pieces. All right, how are we looking? Looks good on both sides, right? Okay, let's give it a taste. Right, there you go. Super quick, super easy. Something else to do with your leftover spaghetti. Make a leftover quesadilla. Like I said, tacos are amazing too, so let's give this a try. I'm anticipating it to be just as good as the tacos, so here we go. That is surprisingly delicious. If you got leftover spaghetti, definitely give this a try. I did this on the Blackstone. You can do it in a pan if you don't have a Blackstone. You can easily do this inside on a pan. So yeah, another way to use up some leftover spaghetti. All right, guys. All right, gals, give this a try. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I hope to see you on the next video. Super easy. Oh, yeah.